Good afternoon guys, it's James from Motorhome Retrofits. So today we've been working on this 2017 Westfalia Amundsen. It's a sliding door conversion camper van, motorhome, whatever you want to call it, but it's a camper van, and we have had it in for an Alpine iLX-705 7-inch digital media station upgrade, and also the fog light style LED driving lights. So the video is just going to give you an overview of how we've integrated it with the dashboard, and also show you the end result of the radio system, media system, and also the DRL fog lights in the bumper. So today we've been working on this 2017 Fiat Ducato motorhome, and it is a sliding door conversion, so professionally converted, and it's come into us today with the factory fitted VP2 navigation system. It's a double DIN from the front, single DIN, and then you've also got the newer style Fiat connector on the back here. So what we have done is we have fitted one of the very rare, well, rare at the moment, iLX-705D. It's the new 7-inch 720p panel, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, it's wireless, dual camera port, etc, etc. Loads of stuff. We've done a recent video on another vehicle for this, but this is amazing because of the fact that what we try and do is we integrate it nicely in with the existing gloss black panel. Let's just put the key in the ignition, turn it on. So the radio will turn on, and we can retain the steering wheel controls for the vehicle, which, if possible, if they're fitted, they're not all fitted on a lot of the motorhomes. We have also retained the factory reversing camera. So because this particular vehicle's got data behind the scenes, we've been able to grab the speed pulse, we've been able to grab the reverse signal and interact with the vehicle a lot better than we would normally. So this is the iLX-705D. So let me just put it into reverse. It's not amazing, and only because we've got a really nice 720p panel here, and we are retaining the factory fitted camera. So we pop it into reverse, there's the image, comes on like so. The guidelines are nothing to do with us because the Alpine ones are turned off because there's no point having them on. The guide will disappear in a second, and then you've got just the bike rack. So if the bikes weren't on, you probably see a little bit of a better view, but this is a factory fitted camera, nothing to do with us. We've just been asked to retain it because it was on the original Fiat head unit. So take it back out of there, and the screen will switch over. You've got your FM, you've got your DAB, you've got your AM, you've got your Bluetooth streaming, and you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. You've also then got dual camera ports, so if you wanted a rear camera retention, which is what we've done, and added a front camera, we can do that as well. The USB leads have been routed into the glove box because there is a factory fitted USB below the dash here, but it's only a single. So rather than split off the leads, we've then run them into the little cubby hole on the top left hand corner of the dashboard. Also on this video, we are going to just explain to you that show you that we've done the really nice LED fog light style daytime running lights, which look really good. I've got them on my motorhome. They look really good, and just means that you can be seen from much further away whilst you're driving during the day, and also in low light conditions. So we're in a 2017 Fiat Ducato motorhome camper van, and we have fitted the iLX-702. We've integrated it as nicely as we can with our own gloss black fascia. It's a nice flush fit. We've retained the reversing camera, we've retained the steering wheel control, and we've also managed to tap into the factory FM antenna, the factory DAB antenna, and the factory GPS antenna, and we've retained all of those so that you don't see anything on the dashboard looking unsightly. Now we're going to jump out of the van and show you the LED daytime running lamps. So we're now going to just run through what we've done at the front of this vehicle. 2017, we have fitted the LED daytime running lights that fit into the factory fog light positions. So most of the bumpers from 2006 to 2021 will look the same as this. Slight difference, and what we do is we cut out the fog light grills or cutouts and insert the fog lights here. Some customers also have them color coded here, which is just personal taste, but once they're on and the ignition is on, they're on full brightness. So Matt will just turn the ignition on now. So these are on full brightness, and these will be the same brightness as the LEDs in the main headlights themselves. And when the side lights are turned on, they will dim so that you've got nighttime use as well. The whole point of the dimming feature is obviously when you're driving during the day, you want them on full brightness, but when you are driving and it's dusk conditions, or your side lights are on, or your dipped beams are on, then you don't want these to be on full brightness because they will dazzle. So if Matt just turns the lights off again, and you'll see them now on full. No, they've now gone off. Okay, so the lights are now on full brightness, and that is for daytime conditions. And then if Matt just turns them on side lights, they will drop down, and you'll see the side lights on the vehicle have come on as well. Now this particular vehicle is the facelift model 2014 onwards, which is the X290, and the X290 will have LED operated headlights, so you've got LED DRLs in here, but this is a nice little addition to this vehicle. So if you've got a Fiat Ducato with a bumper, looks a bit like this, and you want the fog light style or the LED DRLs, get in touch with us. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep watching, and we're also going to be doing another video very similar for our other channel, Advanced in Car Technology, so check out that channel too. Thanks for watching.